Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two exciting mirrorless cameras, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50. Both priced at $799. Let's find out which one is perfect for capturing those unforgettable moments. First up, we have the brains of the operation, the sensor and processor. The ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 megapixels APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor and a fast BIONZ-X processor. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and advanced autofocus, making it an ideal choice for content creators. Meanwhile, the R50 also features a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor, but it's equipped with the DIGIC-X processor known for faster autofocus and better performance. Users have praised it for its spectacular image quality and focus speed, especially beneficial for beginners. Both sensors are top-notch, but the ZV-E10 shines in vlogging scenarios, while the R50 excels in overall performance. Now, let's talk about video capabilities. The ZV-E10 offers 4K movie oversampled from 6K, which reviewers say results in stunning video quality, perfect for vlogging and product showcases. On the other hand, the R50 provides uncropped 4K video with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, allowing for smooth focus transitions during filming. Users love its ability to shoot at 30 FPS and the close-up demo mode for product demonstration. Reviewers highlight that both cameras provide excellent video quality, but the ZV-E10 is particularly favored for its user-friendly features tailored for content creators. Next, let's tackle autofocus. The ZV-E10 has a solid autofocus system, but the R50 takes it up a notch with its dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering up to 100% by 100% of the frame. Reviewers rave about its ability to track subjects using deep learning technology, which is a game-changer for shooting dynamic scenes. The ZV-E10 is praised for its reliable autofocus, but the R50's advanced tracking capabilities make it a favorite among users looking for precision in their shots. If fast action is your focus, the R50 might be the better choice. Now, if speed is your thing, the R50 takes the cake with continuous shooting at 12 FPS with electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with the electronic shutter. Reviewers note that this speed is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects without missing a moment. The ZV-E10 isn't slow either, but it may require a bit of practice for those quick shots. Users appreciate the shooting capabilities of both cameras, but the R50's speed gives it the edge in this category. Overall, both cameras receive positive feedback from users. The ZV-E10 is celebrated for its vlogging features and versatility, while the R50 is loved for its speed and autofocus capabilities. Each camera has its strengths, catering to different types of users. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description. Happy shopping, and may your purchases always be smart.